Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this animated outline glow effect on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here. I'm just going to I'm just going to copy and paste it first, and I'm just going to look at the main video and I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. Is this even working? Hello? I don't know why I can't adjust anything to this. Hold on. Oh, it's because I clicked on the wrong video. Sorry about that. But just the contrast and the brightness here. Then on the second video, you're just going to go to effects and you're going to search for neon. You're going to add neon outline on it. Maybe like this one. You can adjust the atmosphere as well here. Go to filters and add in the black and white filter on it, and then also go to effects and search for edge glow. I don't know why the resources are loading pretty long right now. Like, it's taking a really long time to load. Not sure why. I think it's because I have insufficient disk space, but I'm trying my best to find the edge glow. I don't know where it is. Here it is. It's under, okay, it's in trending, so just find it. You can adjust the glow here. And I'm just going to go to media, and I'm going to try to find a color that I want to add on top. You can select even this gradient one, which I'm going to select, and I'm going to just rotate it. Go to basic. On video, go to blend mode and select linear burn, and select both of these. Right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and select screen or brighten, and then add a keyframe at the beginning or wherever you want, and then at the end maybe you're just going to scale it out, and then you're going to go to animation and you're going to select out and you're going to select fade out. And just make the duration a little bit longer. I might make this a little bit to the right. I don't know why it's not scaling as much as I want it to scale. There you go. It's better if your clip is shorter, but yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.